I'm going to show you how I took this bathroom from this to this. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today I got something special for you. I got a video to show you what kind of investment you'll be looking at for your standard average size bathroom remodel. So if you want to know details, stay tuned. I got a lot to show you here. And maybe you don't. Maybe you just want to know how much, an investment like this would cost for a bathroom like this or similar. And if you want to just know that, I'll put a pinned comment in there or put in the description what time I'll actually discuss that. So you can just skip to it. But if you want to enjoy the show here, show you what's involved, how much time I actually had into this job, how many hours, how many days, things like that. Stay tuned. Day one on the job. Alright, here we are on the job site. Day one. We are going to gut this bathroom totally to the studs. Update all electrical plumbing. Going to be possibly removing this window, closing that up. New exhaust fan. Possibly putting a light above, possibly putting a light above the shower. Everything new in here, new tile. Okay, now I'm just going to show you some photos here of what the bathroom looked like beforehand. And then as the rest of this this video goes here, I'm going to be doing some voiceovers like I'm doing now. And I'm going to show you some clips I actually took when we did the project. So pretty much go over everything. So this is the bathroom completely gutted down to the studs. Got the old plank subfloor there. On site. Bathroom is completely gutted. We are making some small adjustments to this window today. The subfloor needs some patching. Then we're going to add some more plywood to this. Get it all buttoned up here. Okay, here's the subfloor. We had to basically rip out like half the subfloor here and put down new 3/4 inch tongue and groove plywood. Had to add some block in there, go around that copper pipe. Anytime you come across these plank subfloors, they're not that strong, so you always want to go over them with some more plywood to get everything strong enough ready for tile. Here we are back on the job later in the same day. As you can tell, these old plank floors is nailed down. We added another fastener. They're being screwed out of now, so this floor will potentially never squeak. Never say never, but it shouldn't ever squeak, especially with screws in it. Construction grade screws as well, not drywall screws. So these have a little bit more shear strength, actually a lot more shear strength than are needed for these type of applications. Now we're adding a second layer here of 3/4 tongue and groove. So this floor will be absolutely rock solid when we get done with it. Stay tuned. Just a couple pics here of the subfloor and the underlayment going in. Everything's fastened down nice and strong. Here's a rough plumbing in. Took out the copper, put in some new PVC. Everything's glued up, good to go, ready for inspections here. So everything is ready to go for the rough. Okay, here we are on site. We just got our order of tile. We'll be doing some nice 12 by 24s on this floor, porcelain. And then we got these rectified porcelain 3x12s here. So they look real nice. Real nice looking tile there. And we got the Lettercrete Permacolor Select on this job. So low quality materials here. Gonna look real nice when we get done with it. Stay tuned. Nice new brand new valve roughed in. You always want to do that when everything is opened up. Tub is set, floor is a little bit out of level, so we shimmed it up, making sure everything is nice and level. All that. Electrical is roughed in. We got a nice new exhaust fan. I think there's about 3 recessed lights in here, maybe 4. Okay, here we are on site. Bathroom remodel update for you guys. Come on in and take a look. We have all electrical done. We got a 3-game box here operating the whole bathroom. Client would like to add recessed lighting, so we put 2 over here, above the vanity and the toilet roughly. We put 1 over in the shower here. And we got a nice exhaust fan, and as you can tell, if you can see up there, we vented to the roof. That's the code, not to the attic. So we made sure that's 100% correct, up to code. All the plywood subfloors down, screwed down, not just now, but all screwed down. Look at construction grade screws, proper screws, not drywall screws. Can't stress that enough. All the plumbing's done here. All PVC now. Tub is in, new valve, Moen valve. Got the tub nice and level, even though this floor drops over an inch over here at a level. That's how out of level this floor is. So now we're ready for inspections on this job. Quick walkthrough for you guys. Okay, here we are back on site. All inspections have passed. Everything is insulated. Fire blocking all done around penetrations. Today we're hanging the drywall. Just a quick walk through the bathroom here with the GoPro to give you guys a little bit better of a shot. Everything is insulated. I believe we got R30 on the ceiling, R13 on the walls, everything completely up to code, ready to go. At this stage, I'm not sure if we had inspected, but everything passed when we did get inspected, and we're ready for the next step. Okay, here we are back on site. All inspections have passed. Everything is insulated. Fire blocking all done around penetrations. Today we're hanging the drywall. Okay, here we are back on site next day. All the drywall is hung. Got a little bit of the tape and mud done yesterday. All of it's hung completely. So today what we're going to be doing is putting in this weedy board, hitting the drywall, and see where we're at from there. Possibly pouring this level on the floor because this floor is nowhere near flat. Stay tuned. Okay, all the weedy board is hung in the shower. It's completely 100% waterproof foam board. That's done. And here's the self level we pour on the floor since it was so out of level and out of flat. How to do that. And then we've begun the tile installation here. Custom ramp transition here, able to accommodate basically any transition just using a field tile. Nice thing we like to do instead of using a real big marble threshold and having a step there. It's a really great option we offer our clients. I think I was happy with the paint job I did in this one. Here's the tile around the tub. This is a 3x12 polished rectified porcelain tile. Really nice look. It has that nice gloss look to it. So if that's what you're after, you want to get a polished porcelain tile. Okay, some more finished pictures. All the recessed lights in, all the trim in, everything came out really good. This nice gray walls, little backsplash I did around the sink with the field tile and slow door metal profiles. Came out really good. We actually did base tile on this one, trimmed out as well with the slow door metal profiles. Here's a vanity. This is a 24-inch vanity. Real nice. A shot of the door here. All the doors were painted. These are all new doors that we put in as well. Pre-hung hollow core 6-panel doors here. Came out really good. Here's a 3-gang switch. Here's the floor. 12 by 24 porcelain. It kind of looks like a slate. And here's my final walkthrough. I'll show you guys.
Job was complete. New door put in. Full painting. New handles. Both doors are brand new. 3-gang box over there. 12 by 24s on the floor. And new tub. I mean, everything was completely good to the studs. New vanity with nice tile going around. Medicine cabinet. Recessed lighting there. Above the shower. Then you got an exhaust fan. American Standard tub. American Standard toilet. Some molded fixtures. Still going to get the glass change out for that window, so wait on that. 3 by 12 porcelain walls. This job's complete. Nice fine beaded silicone around the base. No crack grout. This job is done.
Okay, great. So hopefully you're still with me. If you are, I finally got to the point that probably most of you have been waiting for. So what kind of investment could you be looking at a project like this? Now, as my numbers reflect, this is going to be my pricing according to late December 2020. Now, obviously, as things go on, my pricing could change definitely. But as of right now, this is where I'm going to be at. Now, I'm going to give you investment. Let's say if you hired us to do your project and you're in the Central Jersey area, this will we charge at the time of this recording, you know, to do something like this or similar, okay? Before I get to that, I'm actually going to give you, you know, what this job actually took, hours-wise and days-wise, so you can see what kind of time, you know, is, you know, invest into something like this. So, as far as how many days we have on the job, now I usually work solo. On this job, I did have assistance from my father and another person from time to time. So between all of us doing it on and off, I was there every day. My assistants were there, you know, as needed. I have invested a total of 25 days on this job. Once again, 25 days, and a total amount of hours I have invested into this is 174 hours. Once again, 174 hours. Now, what kind of investment could you be looking at, you know, for a bathroom like this or similar? So, to finally get to the point here, a bathroom like this is similar. If you hire my company in the Central New Jersey area, it could be anywhere between $30,000 and $25,000. Now that we got that out of the way, you probably want to know, so what's included and what's not included. So to keep it short and sweet, I can elaborate in the description somewhat, but to keep it short and sweet, the client hands me the tile, the plumbing fixtures, and if they want to have a special exhaust fan, and the paint, and we handle the rest. So they hand us the fixtures, the tile, if you want to do a special exhaust fan, anything special like that, you know, plumbing stuff. The toilet that you see, the vanity, the new plumbing fixtures, the tile, the finished parts that you see in the bathroom, the client supplies that. We handle the rest. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got an answer for what you're looking for to do your average bath remodel. This is for the Central Jersey area where I am located. This project was actually in the Hazlet area that we did. but we do jobs all over New Jersey within about a 50-mile radius of East Brunswick, New Jersey. So if we can help you any way possible, feel free to contact us and we'll help you the best we can. But like I said, you're going to be looking at anywhere between $30,000 and $25,000 for a bathroom like this or similar. Thanks for tuning in. Donnie D signing off.